Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Raja Gogasic Siktar 1719. Imagine floating in the vast darkness of space. You see a massive explosion right in front of your eyes. Fire spreads, light flashes everywhere. But something feels strange. There's no sound, no explosion, no noise, just complete silence. Now think about it. On Earth, even a small firecracker makes a loud bang. So why does something millions of times bigger in space make no sound at all? Is space truly silent, or is there a hidden scientific reason behind it? In this documentary, we will uncover the shocking truth about sound, space, and the physics that controls our universe. Stay with us because what you're about to learn will completely change the way you see space forever. 1. What is sound really? Let's start with a simple question. What exactly is sound? Most people think sound is something we just hear, but in reality, sound is something we feel first. Every sound you've ever heard, from a whisper to a thunderstorm, is nothing but vibrations traveling through a medium. When you speak, your vocal cords don't create sound directly. They create tiny vibrations. These vibrations move through the air in the form of waves, and when those waves reach someone's ears, their brain interprets them as sound. But here's where it gets interesting. Sound cannot travel on its own. It always needs a path, a carrier, a medium. That medium could be air, like on Earth, water, like in the ocean, or even solid objects. Without this medium, sound simply cannot exist. Think about this. If you knock on a door, the sound travels through the solid wood. If you dive underwater, you can still hear sounds around you. But what happens when there is nothing at all? No air, no water, no particles. Can sound still travel? That's the question that will take us deeper into the mystery of space. What is space really like? Now, let's move beyond Earth. Close your eyes and imagine this. You leave the planet. You travel past the clouds, beyond the atmosphere, and suddenly everything changes. No wind, no air, no pressure, just endless darkness. This is what we call space. But what is space actually made of? Most people think space is empty, but in reality, it's something even more extreme. Space is a vacuum. A vacuum means a place where there are almost no particles at all. On Earth, we are surrounded by billions of air molecules every second. That's why sound travels so easily here. But in space, there are so few particles that they are spread millions of kilometers apart. Imagine trying to pass a message in a place where there is almost no one to carry it. That's exactly what happens with sound. Because remember, no particles equal no sound. No sound equal no vibrations. Even if you scream at the top of your lungs in space, your voice won't go anywhere. It will simply die the moment it is created. And that's what makes space so mysterious. It's not just dark, it's not just vast, it is completely silent. But if space is truly silent, then what really happens when something powerful like an explosion occurs there? That's what we'll uncover next. What happens during explosions in space? Now, imagine this moment. A spacecraft suddenly explodes in deep space. A massive burst of energy, fire, and light spreads in every direction. It looks terrifying, it looks powerful, but here's the shocking truth. You would hear absolutely nothing. No boom, no blast, just silence. Sounds unbelievable, right? On Earth, even a small explosion can shake your entire body. Windows vibrate, your ears ring, because the sound waves travel through air, reaching you instantly. But in space, there is no air to carry that shockwave. So what actually happens? The explosion still releases energy, light, and heat, but the sound part of the explosion disappears instantly. It has no medium to travel through. Think of it like this. Sound is like a message being passed from one person to another, but in space, there is no one standing in line to pass that message forward, so the chain breaks immediately. And that's why even the most powerful explosion in the universe would be experienced as a silent flash of light. Now, this raises an even more interesting question. If space is silent, then how do astronauts communicate with each other out there? Let's uncover that in the next chapter. Can astronauts hear anything in space? Now, you might be wondering, if space is completely silent, do astronauts live in total silence? The answer is no and yes. Let's understand this carefully. Inside a spacecraft, everything feels normal. Astronauts can talk to each other, hear equipment running, and even listen to music. Why? Because inside the spacecraft there is air. And as we learned, air equals medium. Medium equals sound can travel. So inside the spacecraft, sound behaves just like it does on Earth. But the moment you step outside, everything changes. Imagine an astronaut performing a spacewalk. They can see their partner just a few meters away. They can see their lips moving, but they hear nothing, not a single word. Because outside the suit, there is no air, no medium, and no sound. So how do they communicate? They don't rely on sound waves at all. Instead, they use radio communication systems built into their suits. Their voice is converted into radio signals, which travel through space and are received by another astronaut's headset. So even though space is silent, astronauts are never truly cut off. They just use a different language of communication, not sound, but signals. And this leads to an even bigger question. If sound cannot travel in space, then how do scientists study sounds of the universe? Let's uncover that mystery next. 5. How do we communicate in space? So far, we've learned one powerful truth. Sound cannot travel in space. But then a big question arises. How do astronauts talk to each other or communicate with Earth from millions of kilometers away? The answer lies in something invisible yet incredibly powerful. Radio waves. Unlike sound, radio waves don't need air. They don't need water. They don't need any medium at all. They can travel through the vacuum of space effortlessly. Here's how it works. When an astronaut speaks, their voice is captured by a microphone. That voice is converted into electronic signals. Then, those signals are transformed into radio waves, and instantly, those waves begin their journey through space. They travel at the speed of light, crossing vast distances until they reach another astronaut or even Earth itself. On the receiving end, those radio waves are converted back into sound, and just like that, communication happens. It may feel like magic, but it's pure science. This is the same technology that allows space missions to stay connected, rovers to send data from distant planets, scientists to explore the universe. So even though space is silent, communication in space is louder and more powerful than ever. But here's where things get even more mysterious. If radio waves can travel through space, does that mean space has its own kind of hidden sound? Let's uncover that fascinating truth in the next chapter.
Is space completely silent? By now, it feels obvious space is silent. No air, no medium, no sound. But what if that's not the full truth? What if space is not truly silent, but instead, we just can't hear it? Let's go deeper. In space, there are powerful forces constantly at work. Solar winds rushing from the sun, magnetic fields surrounding planets, charged particles moving at incredible speeds. These create vibrations and waves, but not the kind our ears can detect. Because remember, human ears are designed to hear vibrations in air, not in the near-empty vacuum of space. So what do scientists do? They use advanced instruments to detect these invisible waves, and then something fascinating happens. They convert those signals into sound. And when they do, space suddenly comes alive with eerie, haunting noises. Low hums, deep rumbles, strange echoes, almost like the universe is whispering secrets. For example, scientists have recorded sounds from planets, stars, and even black holes by translating electromagnetic waves into audio frequencies. So, technically, space is not truly silent. It's filled with activity, but it speaks in a language we cannot naturally hear. And that changes everything. Because silence doesn't always mean absence. Sometimes it just means we are not listening the right way. Now this brings us to something interesting. If space is silent in reality, why do movies make it sound so loud? Let's uncover the truth behind that illusion next.
Why do movies show sound in space? Now think about this. If space is truly silent, then why do movies make it sound so loud? Explosions, laser blasts, spaceship engines. Everything in space movies is filled with sound. Why? The answer is simple. Human experience. As humans, we are used to connecting sound with action. When something explodes, we expect a boom. When something moves fast, we expect a whoosh. Without sound, scenes feel empty, incomplete, even uncomfortable. That's why filmmakers choose to add sound, even when it's scientifically incorrect. Take movies like Star Wars. Its iconic space battles wouldn't feel the same without sound effects. Or Interstellar. Interestingly, this film tried to stay closer to reality. In some scenes, especially in deep space, it actually uses silence to create tension. And the result? It feels more real, more intense, more immersive. So in movies, sound is not about science, it's about emotion and storytelling. Because silence can be powerful, but sound makes us feel. And that's why, even in the silent vacuum of space, cinema chooses to be loud. But now comes the final truth. What does all of this teach us about reality and the universe? Let's conclude this journey. Real science versus fiction, the final truth. After everything we've explored, it's time to face the ultimate reality. Space is silent, but our imagination is not. In real science, sound needs a medium to travel. Space is a vacuum with almost no particles. Explosions create light and energy, but no sound. Communication happens through radio waves, not air. Everything follows the laws of physics. But in movies, explosions are loud, spaceships roar through the vacuum, battles are filled with dramatic sound. Because movies are not built on physics, they are built on experience. Take films like Star Wars. They choose excitement over accuracy, while films like Interstellar try to balance science with storytelling. So what's the truth? Science shows us reality, cinema shows us emotion, and sometimes those two worlds are very different. But here's the most fascinating part. Even in complete silence, the universe is still active, still alive, still full of mysteries. It doesn't need sound to be powerful, because sometimes silence itself is the loudest truth of all. Now that you know the truth about sound in space, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, it may seem quiet, but it holds secrets beyond imagination. Let's wrap this up. So now you know the truth. In the vast emptiness of space, no matter how powerful the explosion, no matter how intense the event, there is no sound. Because sound needs a path, and space gives it none. But at the same time, space is not truly dead or empty. It's filled with invisible waves, hidden signals, and cosmic activity that we are only beginning to understand. And maybe the universe was never silent. We just didn't know how to listen. Now, here's something to think about. If you were standing in space right now, watching a star explode in front of you, would the silence feel peaceful or terrifying? If this documentary changed the way you think, hit like, comment your answer below, and subscribe for more mind-blowing mysteries of space. Because the universe is full of secrets, and we've only just begun to explore them.